underneath the superficial self, which pays attention to this and that, there is another self, more really us than I. The more you become aware of it, the more you realize that it is inseparably connected with everything else that there is. You are a function of this total galaxy, bounded by the Milky Way, and that furthermore, this galaxy is a function of all other galaxies. And that vast thing that you see far off, far off, far off with telescopes, and you look and look and look, one day you're going to wake up and say, why, that's me.
Chiang Rai về sự thế thì anh vừa cá cái củ trên màn cá cái củ to này cá cái wing đã chào khách hàng là cá thì cao xem mà các bạn sẽ nhớ đi mà đến nhà APO nó thật là mẹ không như thế mà lý thật sự Thank you.